A0 English. Numbers 1 to 10 and 11 to 100. Hello, my name is Jane Turner and I am your English teacher today. Today I want to revise and practice numbers 1 to 10 and say and practice numbers 1 to 100. Numbers 1 to 10. Let's just look again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's say those numbers again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now here is my friend's shopping. Can you count? How many? How many bananas? 1, 2 bananas. 2 bananas. Can you say that? 2 bananas. How many biscuits? 1 biscuit. Can you say that? How many tomatoes? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tomatoes. Can you say that? Good. How many oranges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 oranges. How many potatoes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 potatoes. Good. How many sweets? 1, 2, 3. 3 sweets. How many cakes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 cakes. Can you say that? Good. How many carrots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carrots. How many lemons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lemons. How many olives? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 olives. Can you say that? 10 olives. Good. So now this is my shopping. The numbers of each item is different. So how many have I got? Can you count? Look at the pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look and remember. Can you remember how many? 1 orange, 2 potatoes, 3 lemons, 4 carrots, 5 bananas, 6 olives, 7 cakes, 8 sweets, 9 biscuits, and 10 tomatoes. Very good. Numbers 11 to 20. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's say that again together. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. And again, 11, 12. What number is next? 13, 14. What number is next? 15, 16, 17, 18, and next 19, 20. Very good. Can you do these sums? Let's say the numbers together first. 2 add 3, 4 add 4, 8 add 5, 7 add 7, 14 add 2, 15 add 3, 16 add 4, 17 add 2. Okay, let's go back. 2 add 3 is 5. That's right. 4 add 4 is 8. 8 add 5 is 13. 7 add 7 is 14. 14 add 2 is 16. 15 add 3 is 18. 16 add 4 is 20, and 17 add 2 is 19. Well done. Numbers 20 to 30. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, and so on. Let's practice again. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, and so on. Very good. So now, numbers 20 to 100, let's count in tens. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 or 800. Let's try again. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Very good. Look at these pictures. How old are they? What do you think? Look carefully at each person. Say what age you think they are. The old man with the stick, how old? He is 79 years old. The blonde boy, 12. The girl with the long brown hair, she is a teenager, I think. She's 16 years old. The young mother, what do you think? How old? 31 years old. And the children, the two twins, I think they are 2 years old. The older couple are 64 years old. The man with glasses, what do you think? He is 43 years old. And the boy, 9 years old. Good. This is my family. At the top of my family is my mother, Grandma. She is 97 years old. She is amazing. Then my husband, how old do you think he is? Roger, he is 70 years old. This is me with glasses. Jane, I'm 69 years old. My son Jack, he's 40 years old. My daughter, she's 37 years old. My grandchildren are 8, 6, and 4 years old. So, how old are you? How old are you? So, there are 2 ways to write numbers. Let's say and then write these numbers. First of all, say the numbers. 32, 45, 51, 63, 77, 84. So, 32, 45, 51, 63, 77, 84. Well done. Finally, can you do these sums? Let's say the numbers first. 23 add 15, 35 add 11, 30 add 20, 23 add 36. So 23 add 15 is 38. 35 add 11 is 46. 30 add 20, you say it. 50, that's right. 23 add 36 is 59. Well done. A lot of hard work. Well done. Goodbye for now.